Have you felt that rhythmic, repetitive little thump in your belly lately? It's different from a kick, it's more like a tiny heartbeat, but it lasts for several minutes. Those are baby hiccups. I remember the first time I felt them. I was so worried something was wrong, but actually, hiccups are a fantastic sign. It means your baby's central nervous system is developing and they're practicing their breathing by swallowing amniotic fluid. It's like a little, I'm doing great in here signal from your little one. So sit back, feel the rhythm, and enjoy the tiny show. You're not doing anything wrong, your body is just working overtime. For more symptom tips and trimester specific guidance, explore the deep dive section of the app.